Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gamechanger, how to start a game. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To start a game using the Gamechanger app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Gamechanger app. Now once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well, then select the team that you want. Now once you are there, what you need to do is navigate to the schedule tab, which is already right here on the screen, then tap on the add event option. Now here what you need to do is enter the game details including the opponent's name, date and time, and then set up the game. Now once the game has been set, access the scheduled game from the schedule tab, set starting lineup or set up your team right here. Then add your players to the lineup in the correct batting order, and if available, import your opponent's roster to the Slimline to streamline the process. Then on the game day, open the scheduled game from the schedule tab right here, and then tap score game to enter the scorekeeping interface. Then input the game events as they occur, such as pitches, hits and outs. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, and until then, see you in the next video.